Hi guys, welcome to Gadget Bridge. This is Sulabh and today we are going to unbox the Nokia 3.1 Plus. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Alright guys, before we go ahead, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you see our videos first. Alright guys, so that's the Nokia 3.1 Plus in front of us. That's the box. It's like any other Nokia box that you have recently seen in the market. Nokia 3.1 Plus branding on the side in bronze, just like you find it on the 5.1 Plus box as well. At the back you get to see a couple of specifications. These start from a 6-inch HD plus display, 18:9 aspect ratio. It's got dual rear cameras, 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel. The front camera is powered by a 8 megapixel. As far as the battery is concerned, it's got 3500 mAh, a fingerprint sensor as well, and an octa-core processor. That's the MediaTek one. It's not the Snapdragon processor in this phone. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox the phone. But before that, let me just talk about the price a little bit. On the box, it's written 12,799 as you can see, but I'm guessing when it comes to the market it's gonna be a little less. Alright, so we've got our trusted knife with us. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Okay, so that's the Nokia 3.1 Plus. Let me just rip off the cover as well and turn it on. Okay, so till it starts, I'm just gonna keep it on the side and I'll take you through the rest of the contents of the box. The first thing you see is a SIM ejector tool on top. Let's bring it out. There are a couple of manuals and the warranty card over here. On the right hand side under this panel I can see a power brick, a USB power brick. It's USB to micro USB charging cable, a pair of headphones, and that's about it. Those are the contents of the box. You get the charger and a pair of headphones inside. Great, so let me just bring back the phone. I'm going to start it and then I'm going to take you through what the phone is all about. Alright, so that's the Nokia 3.1 Plus out of the box, and a pretty neat little phone. Slightly heavy because it's made up of internal die-cast metal structure, and let me just first take you through the aesthetics of the phone. You've got the power button on the right hand side. Above that you've got the volume rocker key, and nothing else is here. On the left hand side I can see the SIM slots are here. At the back you got that dual rear camera setup that we were talking about. It's a 13 megapixel primary camera and a 5 megapixel secondary camera right underneath it. Also you get a single color LED. Under that you get a fingerprint reader and the Nokia branding. Then you have the Android One written here, so it's built up on the Android One structure operating system. So you get 3 years of security updates as well as 2 years of operating system updates, which is pretty neat. I mean, this structure that Android has given to the Nokia smartphones, actually the Android One platform on any smartphone is quite nice, because you end up getting a lot of security updates first. And of course then there is the case of a native operating system on your smartphone. Right, so moving on, underneath you get a speaker grill and a USB charging port. On the top you have a 3.5mm audio jack, and that's about it. That sums up the mobile phone. No notch on this mobile phone, a 8MP front camera. Yes, there is a bit of chin, and overall a decent smartphone to hold. Yeah, like I said, slightly heavy in the hand, but sometimes you would want a heavier phone which does not drop. Also, let me just talk about this back panel. It's like we said, metallic, but built up of this matte finish, which is quite grippy. I mean, I can hold it tightly and nicely. It does not feel like it's gonna slip away from the hand. So let's go ahead and see how the operating system works and what all apps are available on this smartphone. Right, so app drawer is there. I don't see any bloatware as such. You get the Files Go app, FM radio app. That's about it. It's a basic, normal Android experience right out of the box. You have the Play Store. If you want to download anything, you can download. As far as the specifications are concerned, the CPU is MediaTek Helio P22. It's a quad-core CPU where 4 cores are working at 2 GHz and the other 4 cores are working at 1.5 GHz. The RAM is 3 GB and the ROM is basically the memory, the storage is 32 GB on this one. Of course, it has a microSD card slot which you saw on the left hand side. Right above the dual SIM card slot, you can expand it by up to 400 GB using a microSD card. For connectivity, this one has Wi-Fi 802.11 BGNN, Bluetooth 4.1, GPS, AGPS. So the overall weight is 180 grams and the screen has 2.5D glass on top of it as well. This is a HD plus IPS display and the brightness at the moment seems to be quite nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some camera shots as well. Let's see how the camera fares. Alright, so that was the Nokia 3.1 Plus unboxing. If you did like the video, do share and comment. Do hit us on that Instagram page. There's a giveaway coming up soon, so do participate. This is Sulabh signing off for Gadget Bridge. I'll see you soon.